Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's 2020 and I didn't think I was going to be making a video about this subject this year. So that is that there's a new third-party Twitter client that was just released for the iPhone and iPad called Neptune for Twitter. So if you're, of course, in the iOS world, iPhone world, iPad world, always trying to find some cool, new, interesting apps, well, this one is one of them. And like I said, it's a new third-party Twitter client that was just released a few days ago. So this is my thoughts of the app. So first off, let's go and check out the app. So from the very get-go, of course, it looks really, really nice. It's nicely designed and it just looks really nice. And I just like the card-based design look with the rounded edges as well, which just looks fantastic. And yeah, it's just a really beautiful layout in the timeline, of course, that's really easy to read. And yeah, it's just really fantastic how it looks on the timeline. So let's get to some of the stuff that's new and different with this app. So first off, like I said, so there's a new little feature here. Like it's kind of like a QR code kind of style. So this only works if you have another user who's using Neptune as well. And you get to share with them and quickly add them by just using that little code right there, which is really great. Of course, if you're another user that wants to add each other and follow each other, you can just by clicking on that, and then you just, I guess, take a picture or something. I don't know how it works really, but yeah, it's just really, really cool. So, but one of the things, of course, that stands out with this app is the design, of course. So first off, of course, some of the big design changes that you'll see here with this new Twitter client is, of course, a lot of the stuff is in the bottom. It's in the bottom there, but just looks really, really nice, and I just like the translucent design in the bottom of the toolbar. But also, you can see here how quickly it is. Of course, you could add a new tweet, and if you don't want to, you could just quickly slide up or slide up, of course, like that. You get to see the hashtags what's trending right there, and then of course there's the bookmarks area. So if you bookmark a tweet, you'll quickly be able to find it. Oops, you'll be able to quickly find it right there as well. So this is how it looks, of course, when you click uh, on a how do you call it, a trending page. So like today is Earth Day, so happy Earth Day. You get to see, of course, how it looks. Really nice and simple. And yeah, it's just really, really fantastic. And of course, the profile section. So here in the profile section, of course, it looks another card-based design look to it, and it's just really, really great. And I just like the design, of course. I just like how it feels. But if you have the iPad version, of course, it does look even really, really nice as well on it. And of course, if you go into generals area, you get to control your theme right there. So if you have the system theme, so like me, I have the system theme to dark mode, but we could change it out like that and be able to see in light mode. So we'll see how it looks. And this is how it looks, the timeline, which just looks really nice as well. And it just feels right, everything about this design as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. It's a fantastic app if you're wanting to have a third-party Twitter client in 2020 that looks really, really nice. The design always comes first with this app, it looks like. But also no ads, of course. So if you don't want to see ads, like if you're using the main Twitter app, you do see ads, of course. And also another thing is that a chronological order tweets. So there's not that algorithm tweet timeline that if you're some people are not a fan of. I am a fan of that, but if you're not, you can use this app right here, and you'll be able to see the see tweets in order of how they come out as well. So yeah, it's just a really nice. It's just a really nice Twitter app in 2020, and it just looks really nice, of course, and it has a lot of gestures feature as well. So as you can see right there, I can like that tweet right there. And yeah, it's just a fantastic Twitter app for this year. If you're looking for something else other than the main Twitter app, then I highly recommend you guys go check out Neptune for Twitter. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my mini review thoughts about this app, if you should go and download it or not. The app does cost about $2 Canadian. So it's not that expensive, and you of course comes with, I think, also the iPad app is included with it. So it's worth it if you use Twitter a lot and you just want to have a nice way to check out Twitter. Then I highly recommend you guys go check out Neptune for Twitter. So that's it for now, guys, for my review for this app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.